I found some YouTube channel, they got millions of views by posting motivational video. Now the question is, how make this video? We will create these videos in 4 steps. I am making it on phone. You can do it on computer if you want. Step number 1. We need some motivational quotes. For this, we will use ChatGPT. We are going to ask, give me 20 motivational quotes that are easy to understand. Step number 2. We need some video clips. For this, we will use Pexels.com. Here you will find many types of videos. Step number 3. We need AI voice generator. For this, we will use ElevenLabs. It is a free AI voice generator. Now select any voice and write your script. Now click Generate Mo. Download. Step number 4. We need a video editing software. For this, we will use CapCut. It is a free video editing software for PC and phone. Open CapCut. Input the downloaded videos. Now input AI voice audio. Keep as much as you need and delete the rest. Go to Text, Auto Caption, Adjustment. Add a motivational background music. Let's check the final result.
Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going.
Lastly, I want to tell you that you can't get 1 million views in a day or a week. That's why you have to upload videos regularly. Thanks for watching today. Make sure to subscribe for more like this in the future.